if you have a machine with multiple processors, then we can select the process by pressing this button here. This is currently set to plasma. If we press the gas button, it now takes us onto the gas setup screen, which is considerably simpler. We type the material thickness in, we'll have a bit of 25mm. It'll tell us which nozzle we should use here, and it'll set up automatically the cut speed, the high preheat pressure, the cut pressure, which is a ramp, which takes us from cut first to cut second, so 0.7 of a bar to 7 bar, and it'll take it over a cut ramp time. All it is presettable, so it'll do auto ramp pierce, auto pressure set, because it's blessed with a proportional pressure valve. So that's if you change the process onto gas. We'll go back into plasma, and the only other thing you'd have to do is move the gas torch over in place of the plasma torch and light the flame and adjust the little trim valves till you get about a 10mm blue cone at the bottom.